cut off some pajamas, dressing gown. I was getting rid of my daughter's clothing that she outgrown, and I decided instead of giving to charity, I would cut off and use as cloth, and stay observant. A few, and I'm going to be using these, and the rest can go into the bin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah. Guys, I hope you are enjoying this video so far. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm very happy to announce that I've hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I hope we can take this channel to another level. Do not forget to share, comment, and subscribe. It's very important. I'm very thankful to all of you's 1,000 friends. Thank you so much. Guys, how do you keep your kitchen cloths
from not growing bacteria, meaning not smelling, because this stuff normally within 24 hours is absolutely stinky. I mean, I don't know how it gets to that, because it's clean. We use washing liquid and stuff. But if you put back in the cupboard where you're supposed to store them, next day it has a funky smell that I don't like. But I found what helps for me. I use the flora and I just put some drops. Perhaps you could try that if you have got the same problem.
About this hanging, it's called hanging sink caddy. Yeah, I think it's very handy, from the home bargain store. Yeah, so what I'm gonna hang it in my sink. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Ooh. So be sitting here in the sink, and let me practice to put some. I begin to
Guys, if you're wondering what's that big black box on the counter, basically I've got some materials that I'm going to be updating my kitchen. Don't forget to follow on my Instagram at Nusha Styles. Also here, there I do more content like fashion. Here also, my channel is, you know, is all over the place, but I'm just trying to see what people really love, because I have got 1,000 subscribers now, and soon I'll be shaping my channel, and obviously the more popular videos are the ones that are probably going to be making more of that implies that you guys like those better than some others that are put out there. So yes guys, so I'm gonna be doing some updates in my home, and make sure you follow if you are interested in watching videos about renovating and interior decor. So loves, once in a while I have to clean the doors and the frames, because after a while when you have got white doors, you know how it gets very minging and just grubby and start turning yellow. I actually have got paint. I bought some paint and I'm looking forward to paint my home, but at the moment I've got so many things that I'm doing you know, for my private adventures that I'm sort of doing, and I don't have the time to really paint the doors and some walls that I want to paint. So that requires you know, days, you know, let the paint dry and also reapply the paint. And you know how it goes with the paint, it takes at least a week to really get things sorted, like done properly. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. I'm just, you know, trying to freshen up these doors. Yeah, it made a big difference, guys. By the way, have you watched my other videos? Go and watch my other videos. If you enjoy cleaning videos, there's more videos, and hit the like button because it's important, so YouTube can, you know, push my channel up there and our family can grow. Thank you so much, guys. I'm so excited that we are 1,000 people and all of you are my friends. Thank you so much. I can't wait for the day that when I can have a brand new kitchen in a bigger house somewhere. My daughter always asks me, Mommy, can we move out of this tower block? And I always say to her, in God's time, you know, in God's time, that will happen. But yeah, I'd love to have a home. You know, I made this apartment my home, and I'm very grateful for it. Yeah, so yeah guys, you know, at the moment this is a council flat. There's a lot of things I cannot do, but I try to sort of update things and change around a bit more my style. But yeah, thank you so much for subscribing and share. Don't forget again, you know, to press the notification button. And yeah guys, I'll talk to you guys soon, and go and watch my other videos. Speak soon. Take care.